So the holes have been drilled, the tip-ups are set out. We are ready to catch some catfish. This is my first time I've ever tried fishing this pond through the ice, so hopefully it produces. If it doesn't, I'm happy to be out here. So basically what we're doing today, I pre-drilled 9 holes and I got a couple tip-ups, and I'm just gonna keep moving them around at different depths. Right now I got a couple in the 15-foot section, and then I got one up there in the 5-foot section, so we'll see how it does. I'm gonna guess they're probably gonna be deeper, so we'll try that. I got chicken liver for bait. I got treble hooks on there, size number 2. Let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Got one. Oh, there we go. First catfish through the ice, ladies and gentlemen. First adventure out here this year on the ice, actually, too. But awesome. Just using that chicken liver and treble hooks. I missed one earlier. I'm gonna get some pliers and then get the release for this fish. I'm gonna reset this tip up and then hopefully we can catch some more. All right, so basically the way I have this set up is I have 80-pound braid and then a 20-foot or a 20-pound leader right here that's fluorocarbon with a little weight, and then a number 2 treble hook. And what I'm gonna do is just put on a nice amount of chicken liver, cover that treble hook all the way, and then once I get that done, I'm going to drop it down until it hits the bottom. Just keep letting all the line out until it spools up. And this is one of the deeper spots too. This is right in the middle of the pond. So I might get the other one a little bit closer here if they're running deep. So it's only been about 20 minutes. That's our first fish. Let's get this set and catch another one. Well, I literally just turned off that camera and I already got another one on here. Been in the water for about 20 seconds. Oh, he just broke it. Well, that was a nice cat too. I got another treble hook. I'm just gonna tie it straight on that braid. I guess I don't really need the 20-pound fluorocarbon, so retie this up, reset it, and apparently this is a good spot. Got him. Oh, it's a bass. It's a nice one too. I got that 20-pound test on this one, so I'm gonna have to be careful so it doesn't cut on the edge of the ice. Oh yeah, it's a nice bass. Using chicken liver. Starting to rub. Come here, come here, come here. There we go. That's a nice bass right there. Super chunky. I'm going to get this guy back in the water quickly, but there we go. Nice bass. All right, we got a new guest here on the show. This is gonna be her first catfish, hopefully through the ice, unless it's another giant bass. So what you're gonna do is hold this to the side, grab that line, grab the line down there, slowly start bringing it, and then I'll yank it, yank it, yank it. You feel anything on there?
No.
He didn't set it right. He's just sucking on it right now. Here you go, grab it, grab it. Slowly, slowly pull it up. Put the excess line over to the side. There we go. All right, be careful with that. Oh, that's too big. All right, let it go down a little bit more. Let it have some slack. Let it have some slack, because you got that. There you go. You can let it pull, and then start pulling up a little bit, and then let it. If it starts running, then let the slack go.
Where do I grab it?
Yeah, I'll grab it. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Nice. First catfish, what do you think?
Pretty cool.
All right. Another catfish through the ice. Been waiting on these other tip-ups to perform, but it's been about 20 minutes. This is the first time this tip-up's even had any action all day. So I'm gonna take the hook out of its mouth, reset it, and get a nice little release video. Oh, you spit it out. Not bad for a couple hours. I'm picking up the tip-ups now. It is getting pretty cold. Caught a couple fish today. Got a bass and missed probably just as many as we caught. So thanks for watching. This is the first time I've done this in a while, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.